Hi guys, for today's video, I will show you how to save photos from Snapchat without detection. So first, we must open Snapchat app on your mobile phone, and then you need to go to chat feed and select a message or that has a photo that you want to save in your camera roll. So I will use this one. So once you open the photo that you want to save in your camera roll, turn on your airplane mode or make your phone on airplane mode. Once your phone is already on airplane mode, hold the pictures, press and hold rather, and then click save to camera roll. And then close the application and then delete it or uninstall. Next, we will be checking the photo if the photo is already saved to our camera roll. So I can see the photo right here on my camera roll. And then right now we'll be going back to the Snapchat app. Let's see if there's a notification that we save the picture or the photo on our camera roll. So there's no notification or sign that we save this photo on our camera roll. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.